up, Crypto Words? It's Ultra Crypto back at it again. It is Monday, the 8th of March, 2021. The market's in the green. Bitcoin and Ethereum still pumping off that news of, well, actually, mostly Bitcoin is still doing well off the news of the stimulus package being passed. And Ethereum is because of the EIP 1559 and the possibility of lower fees starting in July. We see Binance Coin is back in the third spot. Okay, and why is it saying it like that? That's weird. Let me hit the refresh button real quick. It's still weird. Wow. It's I guess yeah, Binance Coin is still in the third spot, and it just needs to update somehow. Cardano is swap places with Cardano, and it's because right now Binance is literally being used on a daily basis. We have Polkadot's in the green, XRP still green, Uniswap, folks. Uniswap's as a stable spot in the top 10 cryptos. It has solidified itself as a top 10 crypto. And remember when this first came out, it was an airdrop to people that were using the Uniswap DEX. So you got 400 coins for free, which at the time was valued at $1,600. If you still hold those 400 coins right now, that's about $12,000 right now that you have in value. All right. So I hope you didn't sell it all. I know I sold half and got 2 ETH out of it at the time, and a little over 2 ETH. And yeah, so I'm glad. I'm happy with that trade, and I'm still holding on to the other 200 free coins that I have. So there you have it. Chainlink's up, Litecoin's up, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar. Everybody is in the green. Everyone is in the green. Let's get into it. You'll see why. Bitcoin and ETH, they're both pumping right now. All right, so, oh, I got to talk about Doge. Wait, what happened with that? Is Doge still in the top? Where's Doge? I didn't see it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, Doge is still doing well. Top 15. And Doge is pumping because Mark Cuban says he sees a $1 written in the Doge tea leaves. So he's hoping that Doge gets to $1, and that's because he has a big bag. And right now, the Dallas Mavericks, they are accepting Doge as a form of payment on their website for merch. And I guess eventually when the stadium reopens, if it already is open, I think it already is because, they're in Texas. So, people could use Doge at the concession stands and throughout the stadium anyway. Doge and Bitcoin both. And, the news that came out last week that over 1,800 ATMs nationwide, you could pick up some Dogecoin as well. So, good news for Doge. And he's definitely pumping it because why? He has a big bag. Next, Bitcoin price hit 51K as the U.S. Senate passes $1.9 trillion stimulus check. So that stimulus is going to get signed into law, and people here in the U.S. can look forward to a $1,400 stimulus coming your way pretty soon. We all know where that's going. Most of it is going to go into assets. People are going to be buying stocks, so you're going to see stock prices pump that day, and Bitcoin prices pump that day as well once the checks start to get released. Next, more news about big institutions and large companies buying Bitcoin. Chinese app maker Meitu buys $40 million in Bitcoin and ETH, not just Bitcoin. So this is the first time we're seeing a publicly traded company, but they publicly announced that they are also buying Ethereum. Hong Kong listed selfie app company Meitu just announced that it has snapped up 380 Bitcoin and 15,000 Ethereum. Wow, insane. Meitu, a technology company headquarters in China's Fujian province, today announced that it has bought $40 million in cryptocurrencies, $22 million in Ether, and 17.9 in Bitcoin. Meitu is a smartphone manufacturer and selfie app software company that has been listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange 2016 and has a market cap of $11.76 billion. Disclosed that it has bought 380 Bitcoin and 15,000 ETH. everyone will have at least Bitcoin on their balance sheet. Not just everyone, but every company, every smart company moving forward, I should say, will have Bitcoin on their balance sheet. Now, this is the first time we're seeing ETH as the comparable or being held on a company's balance sheet. If you think that Bitcoin and ETH are going to go anywhere, then you're smoking something. If it's because people don't like it because it's too slow and high transaction fees, all this other nonsense, it's just noise. They're both being upgraded and they will both be worked on, and those so-called transaction fees in the future will be a thing of the past. All right. So again, if you're thinking that ETH and Bitcoin are going anywhere, dead wrong. You need to be stacking as much sats and as much ETH as possible if you know what's good for you, not financial advice. And speaking about stacking sats, want to be rich? Bitcoin's limited supply cap means you only need 0.01 Bitcoin. In 10 years, Bitcoin's finite supply will be nearly exhausted, meaning holders might only need 0.01 Bitcoin to become filthy rich. While purchasing 0.01 Bitcoin might cost only $500 today, current trends in global wealth distribution and inevitable realization of Bitcoin's limited supply could result in 0.01 Bitcoin being worth $1 million in the future. There's 100 million Satoshis in one whole Bitcoin. If you hold 0.01 Bitcoin, which is 1 million Bitcoin, then you'll become a millionaire when Bitcoin is on parity with the dollar, meaning that one Satoshi is equal to $1. Think about that. And that's what this article is talking about. According to the Credit Suisse Global Wealth Report 2020, there are 51.9 million individuals with a net worth surpassing $1 million. So with all the millionaires in the world, they themselves cannot have a whole Bitcoin. This is one of the first time in history where we, the little guy, all right, the little people, the retail investors, can front run the big dogs, can front run those people that are already millionaires and multi-millionaires. You are early. We are early in the space. So although Bitcoin may seem like it's out of reach for you on a per dollar basis, right? On a price basis of $50,000, you got to remember that you could still purchase on the Cash App $1 worth of Bitcoin every single day. So at least that you'll have 365 Satoshis, or not 365 Satoshis, but $365 worth within a year if you buy $1 worth of Satoshis every single day. You could dollar cost average into it. All right. If you don't have that $500 right now, wait till you get that stimulus check. Wait until you get your tax returns. Not financial advice, and just drop it all and get some Bitcoin and securing not only your wealth but your family's wealth moving forward. Satoshi millionaires, all right? We got to start thinking in that terms. Not right now, all right? Delayed gratification. The people that are multimillionaires in the Bitcoin space now, they've been here since 2010. They've been here since 2013, and they've been stacking whole Bitcoins since back then. So this is why they're multimillionaires now, because they've been here so long. Now it's our turn. Hold on to those stats. Don't sell your Bitcoin. Do not sell your Bitcoin. All right. Don't sell it to MicroStrategy and Michael Saylor. All right. So here it is. Despite representing 1% of the global population, excluding children, millionaires own 43% of the world's wealth. And again, we're the ones front running them right now because we are the ones in the space. A lot of these millionaires still think that Bitcoin is just a fad. A lot of them still think like it'll go away in a couple of years. Because why should they care about something that they don't think they could benefit from, right? Because they made their money in older tech and things of that nature. Let's scroll down some more. This is a big deal, man. This is such a big deal. Owning just 0.01 Bitcoin, $500 worth of Bitcoin could set yourself up in the future. Yes, that is a big deal. And in the future, when Bitcoin is $100,000, 0.01 Bitcoin will be $1,000. And then when it's $1 million, it'll be $10,000. So that's how you got to see it. And Bitcoin is going to eat everything in the world as far as monetary value is concerned. So one Satoshi equaling $1 would mean that one Bitcoin is $100 million. It may seem far-fetched right now. I know. It sounds crazy coming out of my mouth right now. But we've seen what Bitcoin has done, and we're seeing what people are predicting Bitcoin to replace. Once Bitcoin replaces gold, one Bitcoin will be between $500,000 to $1 million. And then from there, the sky's the limit. All right. In the future, the wealthy will fight for 0.01 Bitcoin. In addition to the certified millionaires, there are 590 million individuals whose net worth exceeds $100,000. These are the people shouldn't be disregarded as potential holders, even though their purchasing power is less. They give this cool little chart, number of adults in the world, global wealth distribution, and all that good stuff. And they all cannot hold one Bitcoin. They all cannot hold 0.01 Bitcoin. We can front run them right now. We can definitely front run them right now. Assuming the global wealth proportion shown in the chart above says the same, millionaires representing 6.32 million coins out of Bitcoin's remaining supply, suggesting each individual would have the opportunity to purchase just 0.12 Bitcoin each. That's if they all try to get in right now. But it's not going to happen like that. Some people will not buy Bitcoin until maybe it hits $100,000. We're seeing institutions only getting in right now because Bitcoin hit that $1 trillion market cap. All right, when it reached 53K per Bitcoin. Like, it wasn't a thing to them until it reached a $1 trillion market cap. So this is how some of these people think. They wait until it pumps to a specific price point, and then they get in. Some people won't get in until it's 100K or even 500K. We are front running them, and this is a big deal. And I think if you want to set your family up for the future, spending that $500 right now to get 0.01 Bitcoin and securing their future is a big deal. Please share this video. Let your friends and family know that, y'all could pool together and get that $500 and get that 0.01 Bitcoin. Or pool together and get even more Bitcoin. It's a big deal. Secure your family's future. Don't wait till it's too late. Don't wait till 0.01 Bitcoin is, $2,000 and then it may be out of reach for you then. Don't wait till 0.01 Bitcoin is $5,000. Oh man, I'm not financial advice, but I'm just saying. Okay, again, everything will be linked in the description below. This way you could come and read these articles yourself and share them with your friends and family. Please, let's discuss it in the comment section below. Smash that like, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. It's Sergeant Crypto, and I'm out. Peace.